Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're returning, thanks for coming back. You already know how I feel about you. If you are new here, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave. Today's video is going to be another Marc Jacobs unboxing, so let's get into this video. Let's start off by saying, did I need another bag? No. Did I get another bag? Yes. Am I gonna probably buy another bag? Yes. That's just me. Y'all already know how I am, okay? You already know I love to shop. Point blank period, okay? It's just in me, okay? So let's start off by saying I bought another bag, and this one I actually bought from Bloomingdale's. So it just comes in this bag that literally says big brown bag. This is how the dust bag looks. Now the thing about this dust bag, when I saw the bag on the floor, it didn't have like a dust bag inside of it, but I know Marc Jacobs always comes with dust bags, usually in the inside of them or something like that. So she literally just got this dust bag from another bag. I don't know if this is the correct one, because it doesn't really fit properly the way it should, but I think it's okay. I mean, I'm not tripping. So it comes in a dust bag, which is black, and it literally just says the Marc Jacobs. Take the bag out. It's so cute. This is the Marc Jacobs Eclipse shoulder bag, I believe. I'm sorry y'all, I'm looking at my camera.
The ghetto. The ghetto.
Y'all, I had to laugh so hard when I was editing this clip, because why did my wig let me down like that? Why did it do the most? This olive green color, so pretty, and it says the Marc Jacobs here. And the thing I like about this bag is that it's literally like a moon shape. It's so cute. This chain has gold and silver hardware, which I really do like. Usually I'm like a gold girl, but you can mix the metals here. The bag is very spacious, and the inside you can fill this little purse up. I just have like some random items here. Of course, a little hand lotion, a little perfume spray, a little bottle of Patron. Y'all, look at this little bottle. And I'm just saying, like, look how much like stuff you can really fit in here. I could probably fit my camera in here, of course my cell phone, my wallet, and stuff like that. It's super cute though. I do like the color. They have this color, they have black, and then I think they have a cream color, but I ended up going with the green color because I don't have any olive green bags. So this is how the bag will look if I was to wear it like this, of course. Super cute, like a crossbody bag. And the chains are in the back. Let's see. It's super cute. Okay, so let's talk about the pricing and everything. So this bag retails for $375. Sale on marcjacobs.com for $225, and I think that's about 40% off. Also at Bloomingdale's it is 40% off as well. So I price matched this bag to Saks Fifth. Now Saks Fifth had this bag on sale for $140.62, you guys, and with tax it came up to $153. And when I paid, I also got a $25 reward from Bloomingdale's, so I'm able to use that on my next purchase. But I did price match to Saks. They did have this bag also at NordstromRack.com. I will leave it down in the description box so you are able to go get it if it is still available. I know the last time I checked it was available in the green and white color. That is this bag, the Marc Jacobs Eclipse shoulder bag. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment down below. Tell me if you like this bag. Give this video a big thumbs up. Comment, like I said. Subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. And I will see you guys next time.